Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of big data analytics using R and Hadoop. Big data analytics is the process of examining hidden patterns and unknown correlations out of really huge amount of data sets that can be used to make better decisions. In older days when there wasn't much of data, legacy techniques, algorithms, systems, and data mining tools were enough. But now, when data has grown exponentially, by using these legacy techniques, one might have to wait for hours or even for days to get the results. That's where R and Hadoop complement each other. Hadoop is capable of handling huge datasets that can be in petabytes or zettabytes, and R can perform multiple kinds of data mining analysis on data sets. The art of finding hidden patterns or unknown correlations is called data science. Before we get ahead, let's quickly have a brief introduction about what data science is. There's a very funny looking image on your screen where a woman is telling to a man that you are dropping your numbers. He answered back saying, I'm a data scientist. I have lots of them. So, what does data science teams or data scientists do? To understand this, let's take an example. I'm sure that most of us do online shopping via different portals like Amazon, eBay, and others. Now, how many of us have actually noticed that when buying a particular product, we get recommendations to buy other related products? For example, if we buy a smartphone, we get recommendations to buy a cover case or a memory card. This is called an item based collaborative filtering algorithm. This algorithm is the result of analysis, research, and recommendations done by data science teams. By now, all of us have got some basic understanding as to what is data science. Let's quickly go through some of the generic tasks that data science team or data scientists perform. They collect the data from the outside world, that is the raw data. They process it. After processing, they create data sets, and these data sets can be used to perform any kind of trend analysis from the existing data, based on which they can create some of the user built products, or they can even use these data sets to perform data driven predictions in models. Now, these data driven predictions can be used for visualization in different reports or can be shared with other people across the globe via blogs. So, what are the skills required to become a data scientist? A data scientist is a person with some maths and statistic knowledge along with domain expertise and some hacking skills. When we say hacking skills, we want to say identify information that is hidden from the outside world. That's what hackers normally do. They get the information that we as a users don't see with naked eyes. Why domain knowledge or substantive knowledge is important? Because data scientists should know which questions to ask, how to interpret the data, and should understand the structured data really well. Now, if you are a person with some domain knowledge and hacking skills, then you are in a danger zone, and of course, with some obvious reasons. But if you have some hacking skills and some maths and statistics knowledge, then you are in a machine learning zone. Only if you have a combination of all of the skills, then you are in a data science zone. What are the problem statements for data science teams or data scientists face? There are images of two people on your screen. One is the CEO of an organization, the other one is a member of a data science team. One of the most common questions from a CEO to the data scientist is, tell me something that I don't know. And the truth is, even data scientist doesn't know the answer. In fact, they are the people who provide insight in the data. They are the people who provide what if analysis. What if we do this? What if we do that? They are the people who get your data speak. Now let's quickly go through some of the real world problems that data science resolved. Netflix is one of the very famous movie rental companies. Data science helped Netflix by providing user or item based collaborative filtering algorithm. Item based algorithm is the same one that is being used in Amazon to recommend different products to users. User based collaborative filtering algorithm is based on movie watching habit of a person, on which movies from other genres are recommended that a person might like to watch. And one would be even surprised to know that data science is now in sports as well. NBA teams use data science to analyze move and playing habits of opposite players. I'm sure by now there might be questions as to how this course would help me. We would go get to learn more in depth about data science and some data cleaning tasks that data science teams perform. We would get familiarity with R, machine learning techniques, how R and Hadoop interact with each other. We would also get to see what is Mahat, its algorithms, and how it gets implemented in data science. Thank you.